In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to group pictures in Canva. If you're working on a design with several images and you want to move them all together without having to reposition each one individually, grouping is one of the most useful tools to learn. It helps keep your layout organized and makes editing much faster, especially when you're arranging collages, mood boards, presentations, or social media graphics. To begin on a desktop, whether you're using a Mac or a PC, open your Canva design and make sure the pictures you want to group are visible on the canvas. The goal here is to select multiple images at the same time, so take a quick look at your layout and identify exactly which images you want included in the group before you start. Once you're ready, click anywhere on the canvas, then hold down your mouse button and drag your cursor across the images you want to select. As you drag, Canva will create a selection area and any images inside that area will be highlighted. This is the easiest way to select several pictures at once, especially if they're placed close together. Try to drag carefully so you include only the images you want, because anything inside that selected area may be added to the group. After the images are selected, look for the floating toolbar that appears above your design. On that toolbar, click the Group button. As soon as you do that, Canva will combine those selected pictures into a single group. That means you can now move them together, resize them together, and keep their arrangement locked in place more easily. If you prefer using keyboard shortcuts, there's also a quicker method. After selecting the images, press Ctrl and G on Windows, or Command and G on Mac. This does the same thing as clicking the Group button and can save time if you use Canva often. Grouping is especially helpful when you've already positioned your pictures exactly the way you want them and don't want to accidentally shift one out of place while editing. It gives you more control over your design and makes your workflow much smoother. And that's all it takes to group pictures in Canva on desktop. Once you get used to this feature, it becomes a simple but powerful part of designing more efficiently.